Hi everyone, so in my part 1 to this video, this is part 2. I went through the rules in the circle geometry rules, which I have on the right hand side here in the box. Those 8 rules there we went through. So you can go back to that first video if you need to refresh your memory on those rules, right? Now, we're going straight to the question. So now, our question says, in the diagram above, angle CAB is 35 degrees. So CAB is 35 degrees. So that angle right there is 35. And AC is the diameter of the circle. AC is the diameter, right? So very important. AC is the diameter of the circle. We want to find angle ADB. So angle ADB, ADB, that's this angle on top here, right? Cool. So now, just to keep in mind, a very important thing that we should highlight from the statement that was given to us to work out our angle. It says the diameter of the circle is AC. Once you hear that they give you the diameter, you have the diameter, something must click in your head. Alright, what rule we have it that deals with diameter? Remember I went through this one, the angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. So that angle there, that has the diameter and it forms the triangle. That angle, the circumference on top here, it's a 90 degree, right? So it's likewise here. We have a diameter. We have our big triangle ABC. So this here is 90 degrees. So let's pull out that triangle. Now you could do this in an exam. You could draw up on the paper, draw your little triangles and stuff, and do whatever work you need to do. Right? Right, that's 35, right? My diagram is not the best. Sorry about that. Now, let's find this angle right up here. So basic angles in a triangle rule. 3 angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So my 90 plus 35 will give me 125 degrees, right? And then to find my missing third angle, I will say 180, take away 125. Or 1 from the 8, right? Carry the 1 there, right? 10 take away 5 is 5, 7 take away 2 is 5, right? And all last 0, right? This is 56 on top here. That angle C here is 55 degrees. Right. So now we have this angle at the top here, the circumference. We want to find this angle at the top here at the circumference. Now this takes us to our second rule. Angles in the same segment are equal. Remember here, this line here, that's the chord. This big piece all here is the large or the major segment, and this little piece here is the minor segment. Now these two angles at the center here are in the same segment. So therefore, if this is 55, this is also 55. Right? So my answer is actually C. That's the rule we use. Angles in the same segment are equal. Right? So first we needed to know the rule with the diameter, the semicircle. Right? Because remember diameter. When you have a diameter, it forms it's 2 semicircles, right? One semicircle, another semicircle. Right? So that rule with the 90 degrees, the diameter, the semicircle. And then we have to another rule with the segment. Angles in the same segment are equal. Now don't get too intimidated by these circle geometry questions. Because really and truly, for CSEC multiple choice, in paper 1, you're going to get 1 question on circle geometry. Or two maximum, right? So don't stress yourself or don't get intimidated by them. Just go through the questions that I have here in the first video on this and you will be fine. So we're looking at another question here. The figure above, over is the center of the circle. We want to find angle PQR. Angle PQR. So that's the angle we want to find here. Now, again, don't overthink these questions, huh? So let's look at what we have. They gave us this angle right up here at the center. 90 degrees. Now, what's the remaining angle here? Angle, or the total degrees at a point is 360, right? So if this is 90, this would be 360. Take away 90, and it's 270. I didn't do all the carrying across, but it's 270, right? You take one from here, borrow, take one from here, alright, and you get your 270. Now this is 270. Now we could use the rule, angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. So therefore, angle PQR is equal to 270 divided by 2. When you divide that by 2, 2 into 2, 1, 2 into 7, 3, remainder 1, we have 135. So it's 135 degrees, C. Now, some of you may be wondering, well, they give me 90 degrees, that's the angle at the center, why can't I just say 90 divided by 2, 45? Well, for one, are you saying 45 has any options? No, right? And two, the angle at the center is always more than the angle at the circumference. Just looking at the diagram, this 90 here is actually smaller than this big thing here, right? So the angle at the center we're looking at is this outer piece here, right? So let's keep that in mind when you're doing your questions, right? So this one rule here, we had to use the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference, right? Alright, so last question that we're looking at. In the circle ABCD, above O is the center, angle CBD, so angle CBD is 28 degrees, angle FCD is 78 degrees, angle BAC is that's what we need to find, right? Angle BAC. So this is what we want to find. Right. So now, first things first. I'm going to try and do this the easiest way possible, right? There are different ways to do these questions. So let's get the easiest way. Here we have a straight line, right? Here is 78 degrees. Can I find the remainder? Can I find the remainder here? Angles on a straight line add up to how many degrees? Angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. So basically, to find that angle there, angle that's BCDN, right, would be 180 take away 78, right? Put your 7, right, ball characters 1, 2. Right, so that's 102 degrees. So now let's draw my triangle down, just so we see. I draw in that triangle there where the 102 would be. Now my diagram is not accurate, I'm just doing a little sketch. That's 102. This is 28, they gave us a 28. This is B, D, C. Let's find this angle at the top here. Same rule for angles in a triangle, 3 angles in a triangle add up to 180. So now I say 1, let's draw a line here to separate this, right? 102 plus 28, that's 0, you carry that, 10, that's where you get 0. 0 plus 2 is 2 plus 1 is 3, right? So we get 3, right? So, now let's find the missing angle, 180, take away 130, 0 take away 0, 0, 8 take away 3 is 5, right? Great. So now, this angle at the top here is 50 degrees. This angle at the circumference here, now we want to find this angle at the circumference here. Sounds similar? We're looking at the rule, angles in the same segment are equal. So this is 50, this is also 50. So our answer here is B. Right? Again, as I said, it's a lot to take in with these questions. but you have the opportunity to pause, replay, right? If you don't understand something, feel free to comment and ask the questions. And there are 2 videos, so look at the 2 videos, and I really urge you all to look at the 2 videos, because these are the questions that you would have seen in the past, right, in those papers, right? So look at the questions, review them, take your time to try and understand them, and you will be fine. So no worries. Take care.